What kind of power are we working with, Tom? Is that fully in it?
Well, I'm fully in it. 4,000, 4,200, 4,500, 5,000 RPM. We've hit 85 kilometers per hour. This is the Suzuki Grand Vitara review you've been waiting for here on Grand Cayman. Oh, there she is. Now, look at the lights come on just for us. Gonna need some keys.
Secure button.
It's a $250 cleaning fee.
All right, this is a big deal because this is my first time driving a right-hand drive car in a right-hand drive country.
Show us the ideal driving position, just in general.
You want your knees right up against the dashboard because you don't want any distance between you and the car when you get in an accident. You just want to right into it. You want this airbag to be as close to your face so that way when it deploys, it just pushes you back into this safety headrest. So, Tedward top tip.
Look at this head unit. It's really nicely put in too.
The key is ultra luxurious. Now, you don't always get an integrated remote in your key, but Suzuki is thinking about the consumer, so good on you. We also have luxurious sunglasses storage. Look at that. So you can forget your $400 per soles in a rental car. It's got very Porsche style ignition because it's on the side of the door, so I can just jump in, be putting it into gear while I start the car. So clearly thinking about Suzuki's racing heritage with this Grand Vitara.
We're really, oh my God, look, they have the oh shit bar delete.
Yep. Yeah, well, that's weight savings.
Weight savings, this is the GT model.
Another weight saving option, the light delete on the driver's side mirror. I think this is 100% a sports car. We've got a front engine, rear wheel drive layout, very driver focused, and nothing for the passenger. So yeah, I think there's probably an option here like Ferrari where they put that digital display.
Oh yes, look at that. They even have the cutout for it.
Yeah, so you know this doesn't have that option. Maybe a G meter.
Maybe.
Are you ready to hear this thing? Everyone, shh, 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 shh. Oh man, it revs up to 2,100 RPM upon startup. It really lets you know it's there.
Look at this. It's racing inspired gauge. What driving modes are you putting the vehicle in?
Race, and traction off.
I don't think there even is.
Safety disabled, always. The seat is like a Lamborghini. Okay, stay with me for a second. I am definitely turned a little toward the left. I'm like, the big problem here is that I'm gonna have to go through like 3 rotaries, and I am so nervous about that. Every time we've been out in this car, all I'm thinking about is how I don't want to go through the rotaries.
You just gotta send it.
I really have no idea where the like left side of my car is right now. Send her in, pitch it in.
Jesus Christ.
We're gonna catch that on the inside, finding that apex. Oh, look at this van with the gold BBS reps. We're gonna get off here, I think.
What kind of power are we working with, Tom? Is that fully in it?
Well, I'm fully in it. 4,000, 4,200, 4,500, 5,000 RPM. We've hit 85 kilometers per hour. This is the Suzuki Grand Vitara review you've been waiting for here on Grand Cayman.
That was really
like dangerously slow. I think that's a thing.
That was really pathetic. I thought it would have more guts than that.
Oh, I'm in the wrong lane.
Oh my God.
Pitch it in. It's actually not bad.
Wow.
Should I have gone that way?
Oh, you're getting walked by an Accord.
That's a dope Accord. Windows down. Oops, that's the wrong windows. Tunnel blast. Oh, those gear ratios. Lightning fast shifts. R35. Eat your heart out.
How are the brakes? Brake test.
Oh, these are the best brakes I've ever driven. They have to be ceramics if they feel like this. And I'd probably say that Porsche's been ripping off Suzuki for years. You know what I really like about the steering wheel? Is the grip, the size of it. It's like a very unintimidating penis. Makes me feel like a man.